Welcome everyone. Today we'll learn how to split a big Excel file into multiple smaller ones based on unique values in a column using Python. No coding experience needed. You'll need Python and Visual Studio Code, which you can download from the link in the description. I'll guide you through two examples. Let's get started. In our first example, we have an Excel file with a column labeled date containing 20 unique dates. Our goal is to split this data into 20 separate Excel files, one for each date. We'll use Python code generated by ChatGPT to achieve this. Here's what to do. Ask ChatGPT. You can find the link in the description below. You'll need to register your email if you are using this for the first time to create a Python code that splits our Excel file into multiple files based on unique date values in the date column, specifying file name, type, column name, date, format, and output folder name. We got response from ChatGPT. Let's copy the code. Download and install Python and Visual Studio Code or VS Code from the link in the description. Open the folder where your Excel file is located. Let's call this the main directory or folder. Right click in the main directory. If you're using Windows 11, hold Shift while right clicking and choose Open with Code to open VS Code. Close any open tabs in VS Code. Create a new Python file by going to File, selecting New File, and choosing the type as Python. Paste the Python code provided by ChatGPT into the newly created Python file. Run the code by pressing F5 on your keyboard or clicking Run and Debug in VS Code. The code would prompt you to save the file if you forgot to save the file. Name it. The first time you run it, select Python as the code type. The code will execute and split your Excel files into multiple files. Check your main folder. You'll find a newly created folder. Open this folder to find 20 separate Excel files, each containing data for a unique date. That's it. You've successfully split your Excel files into smaller files based on unique date values. In our second example, we have an Excel file with a department column, and we want to split the file into separate Excel files based on the unique values in the department column. Here are the steps to do it. Ask ChatGPT to generate the Python code for this task. Copy the generated code. Open Visual Studio Code or VS Code. Create a new Python file. Paste the copied code into the Python file. Save the Python file with a name. Run the code by pressing F5. The code will start working and complete within a few seconds. In your main folder, you'll see a new output folder. Open this output folder to find separate Excel files each representing a unique department. That's it. You've successfully split the Excel files based on the values in the department column, and it only took a few seconds to complete. To run this code as a stand-alone program without Python or VS Code, check the video in the description on creating an executable or .exe file from Python code. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.